After a few weeks of work, all of the old carpet in the main living areas has finally been removed. As with so many projects, this took so much longer than it should have, and I'm so thankful that my buddy Ed came by to help me with removing all of this carpet in the living room because it was quite the task. Editing me here. I'm getting so much better at learning my camera, and I hope you see that in this video. However, I am still not great at doing intro and outros for my videos while I am actually recording. So here's the intro. I am ripping up the rest of the carpet in this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Last wall. Let's go. Oh man. Okay, I think that's a good starting point for carpet. Sure, why not? Oh my god. I thought that was a critter. Okay. I don't love that there's a phone line right there. Here you see me using the Works cutting tool. A friend recommended it to me and I could not recommend this enough. It does take a little bit of getting used to, but I found it so much easier than using a knife when cutting through carpet. I'll have it linked below if you're interested. Now that this first patch of carpet is done, I think it might be best to try to figure out how to cut this section around the radiator cover. And maybe even like to this piece right here. Ha! Second time. Beautiful. Perfect. Love this. Yes. Camera died and then we went eat, so it is pitch black outside now. But I have been pulling up a lot of this foam and there's just like weird adhesive. It's almost like they laid like a layer of mud in between the foam and the wood floor. So I swept a little bit right there and you can kind of tell. Let's see if I can get a good. So you can kind of tell, but it's so pretty. I am very excited. This floor is going to need a lot of love.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with fed away like bones, unaware of where my heart.
This staple remover was also a recommendation from a friend because I was having quite the time trying to pull up these staples. You can get it for like $6 at your local hardware store. Another highly recommend for carpet removal. As I mentioned in the upfront, Ed came over for a day to help me out and I'm so thankful, but this is the only footage that I got because I really wanted to maximize that time. This foam is so difficult to remove. The carpet was easy, the under the carpet was a beast. So it's kind of unfortunate about this is
Losing my direction,
as well as whatever
my bearings have me south of home.
Because of
I've been wrong
the best
before.
way to do this is going to be to remove the staples first.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with fed away like bones, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow. And the water feels like a friend I've not seen in years. So familiar and strange at once, like a lover who lost her touch. At first I was hesitant, now it seems oh so curious. How'd I wind up so far from home when I barely had left the shore? And I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift that fell away like balls, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, and I was dreaming of a love I loved. I fell asleep within an autumn flow. I never knew I drove so far from home while I was waiting in the undertow.
I know I've talked about the fact that there are a lot of staples in the green foam that's buried deep, but let me just show you kind of about what I'm talking about. So along here we've got staples. So where those divots are, those are staples. Plus, whenever I'm digging to remove the middle section of this, it also has staples. So I just spent about, 5 to 10 minutes removing this section because it had a bunch of staples. You can see where some of them were. And then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a staple here, probably along here, definitely on the back and corner where they should be. But that's what takes so long, is that this stuff is super caked on and then they're just staples throughout. Literally the best timed example ever. Pulled this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 staples for this section.